Hello and welcome to Rome, Georgia, and welcome to Syntec Industries. We're excited you came to be with us. Rome is the town that Syntec started in. This is Syntec's corporate office. We have plants pretty much all over as a group, all over northwest Georgia, up in Indiana, and also our steering wheel plant in Tregnago, Italy. So we're pretty excited that you're coming to visit us either by person or by video. We're taking this opportunity as when the COVID came to us on April 3rd and the governor kind of shut us completely down, we had only about 10 of us left here. 2 of them were working from home and the other 8 of us came to the office every day, and literally the phones quit ringing and everything was down. And we started paying attention to what was going on and trying to figure out what we could do to get out of this mess. And I kept saying, I think this thing could play in our hands pretty big. Because I feel like when everybody has to shelter in place, humans don't like being trapped in the house and being trapped not doing something. And I said, they're going to want to get out and do adventurous stuff. And I think boats and RVs might be the thing, because they can literally self-distance themselves and they can do everything they need to do, what they have to do to meet the virus's rules and everything, and they still enjoy themselves. And in turn now, the boating industry and the RV industry has taken off very well for all of us. On the other hand, I kept thinking, what are we going to do about Ibex? One of our sister companies does the flooring for a lot of the show industry, and already at that point, May, June, and July shows had been canceled, and there was not going to be any shows at all. And I going, ooh, that's getting mighty close to the end of September, early October time of Ibex. And I said, well, we'll need to talk about it. So we sat down and started doing some discussion and decided, you know what, let's put together a secondary plan. And by the time Ibex came around and they were pretty much canceling Ibex and turning it to a virtual show, we had already had the plan 80% in place and just turned the knob up. And we took the inside lobby and turned that and our showroom into what you would see at Ibex in Tampa, Florida. We're pretty excited. We have pretty much everything in here, and we are inviting people to come visit us the month of September and October. And we're also doing this video that we will be putting on the Ibex virtual and being able to send out to anybody that wants it. We appreciate you being with us. We appreciate you coming to visit us. We welcome you to Syntec. Thank you very much.